Groupe
PSA
deuxième
is the
constructeur
second
européen.
largest car manufacturer in Europe and the largest in France. The group employs 170,000 staff around the world, selling 3 million vehicles every year, 400,000 of them built in Sochaux. The main goal of our project is to create operational momentum with a view to improving the group's industrial performance. The objective is to reduce the cost price of vehicles by modernizing and compacting its sites. The installation of this type of robot allows us to achieve this goal. We had a wingspan issue, so this robot was needed. We realized that this application had never been deployed by any other manufacturer. To protect ourselves, we filed a patent, at first in France and then internationally. It's the complete application that was patented. The undercarriage arrives at the station. The two operators lock it with the gauge. Then the robot starts his cycle, screw-driving 3 screws onto the left side and 3 screws on the right side. There is an indicator light on each side, which shows the operator if the screwing is compliant. The operator then puts the gauge in position for the next cycle. The Universal Robot's cobot is very easy to program. The touchscreen tablet facilitates the troubleshooting and intervention. As for safety matters, the UR10 is protected by the architecture of the gauge. In addition, the speed of the robot has been reduced to protect operators. The start went very well, even better than we expected. Usually when we start using new robots, we expect to lose production in the beginning, but it didn't happen here.
I do not think there was much concern. There's a new element on the gauge, so naturally some people had apprehension, but nothing more.
The biggest benefits are from an ergonomics point of view. We have no more complaints from the operators. Today, we're celebrating the 200,000th car made with the collaborative robot. In 1 year, we did not report any failures. Thanks to the cobots, we have been able to reduce the production costs of our cars, as well as improving the geometric dimensioning and tolerance up to 10%. The project started in Sochaux, France. We are currently deploying it on all our other sites.
I got used to working with the robot, to the point where now the crew calls it Junior.